Hello there, our space explorers. We are coming to you from Mission Control, which some of you got to see this summer, which is super exciting. And we wanted to give you a little behind the scenes, bring you up to speed on what's been going on since then, because there is so much happening ahead of the holidays and of course our upcoming flight, which we are imaginatively calling Flight 2. Why is it called Flight 2, Tabor?
Well, it's called Flight 2 because we did Flight 1. And Flight 1 was where we demonstrated the ability to predict exactly where the capsule, your capsule, will splash down and have the retrieval ship there ready to pick it up out of the water. So in Flight 2, we're going to fly the full-scale capsule, which you'll see some imagery of. And we're also going to have life support, thermal control, and all those good things along with a real pressurized capsule flight.
And why are we calling it Excelsior?
It's called Excelsior in honor of Joe Kittinger, who set many of the early world records for human ballooning, and that was part of the Excelsior program. So in honor of Joe, we're calling the capsule, our first capsule, full-scale capsule, Excelsior.
So we really are excited to be able to show you some of what we live every day, which is all the innovation, all the manufacturing, everything coming together now. It's very exciting. And so with that, let's get on with the show. First, let's get a quick update on Voyager and our space balloons.
Voyager is currently in its final stages of refurbishment in Louisiana and will make her way to the Florida Space Coast in just a few weeks.
The launch equipment is being installed as we speak. The crane that takes the capsule out of the water is going on right now, followed very quickly by the spools that will be put onto the deck that actually help launch the balloon itself.
Now onto a quick update for our space balloons.
Our space balloons are in production, and the first one is being made right now in time for Flight 2.
Now we want to show you something very exciting, our completed primary structure of Spaceship Neptune Excelsior.
And some of you who were able to join us this summer got a sneak peek of it coming together, but now we have a complete pressure vessel, which is an incredibly important milestone for us. All right, so here we are in the hangar with a fully completed pressure vessel of Spaceship Neptune Excelsior. And this is a very special moment because this is the very first time we've ever put this on camera, and it's just for you.
This is an amazing accomplishment by a phenomenal team, from the structural engineers to the technicians who built it, to the manufacturing engineers who went back and forth between the structural engineers and the manufacturing techs. It's been a great team effort, and we're so proud to show it off.
Okay, so Tabor, what is actually happening next?
So next we'll complete Spaceship Neptune Excelsior and reveal it in flight-ready configuration. Then it gets moved to Marine Spaceport Voyager in Port Canaveral. We'll load it on the ship with a space balloon and do Flight 2, which is a complete test to full altitude of Spaceship Neptune. That kicks off a whole series of test flights where we get all the data we need to move from this prototype vehicle to an actual human flight ready, qualified capsule for us all to fly in.
So I've been really inspired to be able to get to know some of you this year. It was just really exciting for us to be able to have you come on our campus. I've been able to talk to some of you on Zoom and on the phone, and just really beginning to learn your stories, what excites you about going to space. This really does excite us here at Space Perspective, and ask anyone around here who's working here. They will all say, without missing a beat and without any hesitation, they are doing this for you.
So I really want to say for the whole team also how grateful we are for all the support that we get from our explorers, from the community that's being built. You know, whenever we need a little pick-me-up, there's always an explorer on the phone that's like, I'm getting ready to go to space. So thank you all very much.